awesome question. Let's go through it together. First, I'm going to take this exponent here and distribute it all the way into the parentheses. So everything is going to get impacted by the negative 3 power. Just remember, when you're taking a power and raising it to another power, you have to multiply the exponents. So here we go. That's my first step. Then I'm going to bring the rest of the numerator just down because it's all multiplication, so we can just put them together. On the bottom, there isn't really much to do in the first step, so I'm just going to rewrite it down here. At this point, I'm going to combine what I can. Oh, I see y to the power of 0 is 1, so let's cancel that out. Next, I'm going to move anything which has negative exponents around. So this 2 to the power of negative 3 is going to move down and join the 5 on the denominator. I like to think that negative exponents just move across the fraction bar. So this x cubed is going to stay up here, but the x to the power of negative 5 that I see on the bottom is going to move up. Then this y to the power of negative 6 is going to move up, whereas this y to the power of negative 18 is going to move down. And finally, this x to the power of negative 2 moves to the denominator. So I've simplified it. I've taken care of the negative exponents. Now I just need to combine the variables wherever I can. So x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 5. When you multiply, you add the exponents. Nothing to combine on the numerator for the y's. On the bottom, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Y to the power of 18, x to the power of 2. All right, the final power rule is when you divide anything with the same base, you subtract the exponents. So I'm going to subtract and subtract. And the reason I put the y to the 12th on the bottom is because 6 minus 18 is negative 12, and that negative 12, remember, moves it to the denominator. This would be my final answer.